I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM on Orange, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Insert the new SIM. Start by placing your new SIM card into your phone. Make sure it is properly seated in the SIM tray. Step 2. Access the Orange app. Open the Orange mobile app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store. Step 3. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log into your Orange account. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option. Step 4. Navigate to Balance Transfer. Once logged in, find the Balance Transfer option in the menu. This is usually located under Account or Services. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Select the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Make sure to double-check the amount you're retransferring. I once accidentally sent too much because I rushed through the prompts. If you follow these steps, you'll have your balance transferred in no time.